We are Port Canaveral bound. So we are driving to Port Canaveral right now. We are going to board the Disney Wish ship, and we are going to be sailing on the Wish for 4 nights. We have a stop at Nassau, Bahamas, and Castaway Cay, which is Disney's private island. This is a brand new ship. We will be part of the inaugural sailing season. We're so excited. We cannot wait to see all of the details of the ship and enjoy everything that it has to offer. Are driving to the port right now. There was supposed to be the Artemis rocket launch to the moon, and so we left super early. We live about 2 hours and 45 minutes from the port. We left very early just in case there was traffic, and then about midway through our drive the launch was scrubbed. So we still anticipate some traffic, but we're gonna get over to the east coast of Florida and we're gonna get ready to sail. Oh my gosh, look at the front with Punzi.
The aft.
The aft.
Is that what it is?
Oh yeah. No, forward.
Oh. What?
Right? Forward, and then the aft is the back.
Yeah.
So that's the...
That's the back.
Oh yeah, that's the aft. we gotta get our ship lingo down, or you're gonna be swabbing the deck.
Oh,
I'm excited. We just went through security. Inaugural sailings, Disney Wish. Okay, here we come. One step closer. So we checked in, we went through security. It was fairly easy. They just, you know, checked like our clear to sail and online check-in and all of that, scanned our QR codes. We are now in the terminal area, and they just started boarding. So right now they're boarding groups 1 through 3. We are group 6, so we're just hanging out. But I wanted to show a little bit of the terminal and this beautiful model ship. So cool. That's the magic. So cool. And then when our boarding group gets called, we will get to enter right over there. So we're just seated waiting for our boarding group to get called, but until then, as soon as you join the Disney Cruise Line Wish Wi-Fi, oh, next boarding group is being called.
Group 4 now.
We're close.
2 more.
Yep. But anyways, hold. Okay, we're getting closer, but like I was saying, once you're able to join the network, you can go ahead and have access to the Navigator app. You can see which dining you have each night. You can book like some onboard activities like Hyperspace Lounge for the Wish, or if there's any like princess gathering or drink tastings available, you can do that. So we're just kind of chatting through our itinerary and what's happening each day, and then once we board the ship, we will go and try to do other reservations that we want for like adult dining and spa and everything like that. I'm gonna come check out this viewing deck. Oh my god! Oh my god! She's huge! This is amazing. Oh my goodness, I cannot even believe this.
Oh, there we go.
That's amazing.
Caitlin, are we walking on or what? Look at this on the Wish. Here we go.
Like one of the best feelings ever.
Feels surreal.
Disney Wish, please welcome aboard the Alex family.
Woo! Thank you.
Look who it is, it's Haunted Minnie.
Whoa. Look at this. We are on the ship.
Disney
Oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
and Madison family.
Like Cinderella and Prince Charming and Captain Minnie, are you kidding me right now? Are you serious? This is so cool. Oh my god.
Pretty cool.
Brings them all together. Oh, excellent show. Now, when all these hands and all these hearts come together and make their very first wish, that's when enchantment really begins. So on the count of 3, let's wish for enchantment and adventure and call out together, wishes do come true. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wishes do come true! It worked! It worked like a charm! Or like a wish. A Disney wish. My goodness, it feels so good to be joined by Princess Cinderella, Prince Charming, Minnie Mouse, and Pluto. Oh my God.
Okay.
We're at the main deck.
Yes, so we got the reservations we wanted. We were able to get the Enchante brunch, which is what our main goal was. And now we are ready for lunch. So we're checking out some of the food options on deck 11. Wow. This is awesome. Everyone is like excited for vacation. Everyone's getting their ice cream
It's a
cones.
nice day too.
It's a beautiful day. People are already in the pool. All right, let's go get some lunch. We're headed to Marceline Market. Wow. Corey's hungry. Oh, awesome. Wash your hands right here. Wow. So many good options.
This looks cool.
Oh, Corey, look how cute this is.
Okay, so I'm by the go back to where you
Okay, we grabbed a quick bite. This charcuterie looks really good. But just made a few stops at the Marceline Market. There's different like buffet counters, and this is where we're starting, getting some food. Next up, soft serve. Hi, can I get one swirl, please?
Thank you. That's it. Yeah. Thank you. Cool.
One of the shrimp.
Looks good. All right. So we just got down to our room
So we're
and
on floor 8. We are Sleeping Beauty. We got a DVC member magnet and
Cool.
lanyards.
it's awesome. Oh, look at this. This is awesome.
Oh my god. Oh my family. It's so cute.
This is
Okay, we'll do a full room tour. Stay tuned. Okay, we took a look around, put some of our belongings down, and now we're ready
Ready?
to do an official room tour.
Okay.
You know the drill, Corey.
All right.
Outside, buddy. Welcome to the Sleeping Beauty room on the Disney Wish.
All right. Look at this.
All right, we've got the bed. So each deck is a different princess. We got Sleeping Beauty, but there's like Cinderella, Moana, Little Mermaid, Tiana. What else? Who
Can you
else?
say Moana?
Yeah. I can't think of all
Yeah.
of them off the top of my head right now, but we got Sleeping Beauty, Aurora. So here's the bed. Look at like, it says the Wish
Cool blanket.
with like Mickey heads and the cruise line logo. And then the pillows are like stitched. Okay, look at this. The pillows are stitched with hidden Mickeys, but then like the actual bedding.
Yeah, you can see it.
Do you see the cruise logo?
Yeah, you
Isn't
can.
that cool? Fancy. And look at this nice like headboard.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's nice. And then Sleeping Beauty. Well, she's not in it, but it's the fairy godmothers. And Mr. Owl. And even the lamps have a hidden Mickey. And I really like the gold accents. It's like an antique gold. It's just really pretty. And then of course there's USB plugs and regular plugs. Tiny little nightstands, but perfect for, you know, like a water or phone or anything that you need at your bedside. TV. Fancy TV.
Yeah, it is. It'll
So
be a
we'll
nice
watch
one.
some Disney movies and stuff on there. So this is a couch, or it turns into like a bunk bed situation. So your host at nighttime would open this for you. So when you like go out to dinner or go do whatever, then you come back. If you had kids or other guests in your room, they would turn down your like bed for you or pull it out and set it up. So this comes out for a bunk bed, and then with this. And so, but we don't need that. So it's a couch for us. You can have a little table. This is nice. So
Yeah, it
this
is.
is kind of
a lot
like
of space.
your desk area. There's a little ottoman right there if you wanted to sit and do your makeup or work or anything like that. Tissue box, phone, shelving. Honestly, you could line up your sunscreen. You could line up little things like that that you need to store random things. You've got cups here.
Yep.
More USB and plugins. And then in here, yes, we actually have these from the last time. Ugh, they're postcards.
That's cool.
Aren't they
Yeah.
pretty? Those are really cool. These are good like souvenirs, or you could use them for postcards.
What is that?
This is for the
Room service.
room service.
Which we're definitely going to do.
These are cute.
Yeah.
Well, once again, a very pleasant good afternoon, Disney Wish. Your cruise director, Jimmy Lyons.
Jimmy.
On behalf of Captain Andy and the entire Disney Cruise Line team.
Captain
again,
Andy.
An honor and
Didn't we
pleasure
have
to welcome
Captain
you
Andy?
Did
aboard
we?
The elegant Disney Wish.
We'll have to go back
We'd
and
also
look.
like to extend a very special welcome back to our Disney Vacation Club members and welcome home to Disney Vacation Club and our Castaway Club as well. We're thrilled to have you on board exploring and enjoying our amazing new Disney Wish.
There's not that much like clothes storage. I would say the closet is where you're gonna
Yeah.
store things. Like this isn't where you're gonna like put clothes.
Yeah, or your suitcase under the bed,
Yeah,
which there's room.
but if you want to put like
Yeah,
clothes,
put
it's
it
gonna
away.
have to be in the closet. So yeah, this is the fridge.
Well, we have some water, so.
Yeah. Alrighty, let's go over here. Oh, and then this is the veranda. I have no idea how to open this thing. Oh, jeez.
Slide it.
Oh my god. Okay.
Cool.
So we're still at port. This is the Disney Cruise Line terminal right here. So that is where we like loaded on, and then that's the like little bridge that we walked over to get onto the ship. So this is where we will be doing morning coffees, or if we do room service, we can hang out here. But I really like this little table
Yeah, it's
and
cool.
the chairs.
The chairs are nice. They're cruise line.
And obviously the door was hard for me, but the good news about that is if you have kids, it's safe. Like there's safety locks, and it's just really nice that, like here's the safety lock right here. And even with the safety lock not on, I still had trouble. So that kind of gives comfort to parents. Here's actually a Sleeping Beauty picture. That's cute. I like that. It's really pretty. It kind of has like a Riviera, like the Riviera art vibe. Okay, back to the bathrooms. So split bathrooms in here. This bathroom is going to be shower slash tub. Okay, yeah, sorry. Yeah, shower slash tub. And then it'll be wastebasket, whoops, towels, sink, mirror, and of course we do have our H2O Plus here for now. They just recently announced that they will be retiring the brand, so we'll see how that goes. Makeup, towel. I like this. It's a very, very nice shower.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. It's a tub too if you need to give a bath.
Yeah, it is. Full length mirror here. And then this one is going to be water closet, toilet, and another area to get ready. So good to maximize like time and space if you have multiple people getting ready or needing the restroom. All the hidden Mickeys and details.
So there's 3 like cabinets. Here's one of them. Hang stuff.
You gotta hang all your clothes and things.
Yep.
What is this thing?
That ladder's for the bunk bed.
Oh, okay.
Yep. And then here's that second one.
That's
Shelving.
perfect for like clothes
Safe.
and whatnot.
Yep, jewelry, whatever. And then lastly, there's another closet
That's awesome.
with Disney Cruise Line robes.
Gosh. Okay, lastly, I wanted to show we are silver members.
Yeah.
And so I'm not sure who all gets this gift, but we did end up getting
The
it.
inaugural.
And it is the Castaway Club inaugural sailings Disney Wish tote bag. This is really nice.
Yeah, it is nice.
On our last cruise, we got like a crossbody backpack, which we actually brought that.
Yep.
But I really like this. That's really cool. And then we also got these, which
We have those.
did bring ours from last time.
Mm-hmm.
But they also gave us DVC ones, which I might use this one. That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
So it's always fun to get goodies. And actually, Corey just mentioned that the bag that this came in is a laundry bag. I didn't even notice, so good job, Corey. That is a laundry bag, and we will definitely use it. Corey's checking out the fancy TV.
Checking it out. So they have movies and then ship videos. My guess is the movies. They have their full, you know.
Disney collection.
Yeah, it's all
Oh
lined up.
yeah. Well, kind of like Disney Plus.
Yeah, I'm sure it's all the same.
Ooh, a Goofy movie.
So we'll
That would be
probably
fun.
dive into some of those, which will be fun.
What was the other thing?
And then next too, they have ship videos where it looks like they have some behind the scenes stuff.
Ooh, behind the scenes. Huh.
They have
That's
Vacation
interesting. Cool.
Club. Yeah, looks cool.
Awesome. This is that bag. It's cute.
Cool.
Okay, well that's the room tour. We're so excited for the next 4 days. We'll see. We might end the vlog here, or
We'll see what
we end up doing tonight, or we will save that for the next video. But either way, stay tuned.
Bye.